Send me.
What you doing?
Hey, excuse me.
Condi?
What are you doing in the bathroom?
What you doing in the bathroom?
Okay, play with the puppy.
There you go. He's laying down.
Oh, call him. Okay, give him kisses.
You like your finger?
Yeah. He wants to eat it.
Oh no.
He's not.
Oh, does he give kisses too?
Yes.
Let him give you kisses. Come on.
That looks like a tunnel.
Here he comes. He's coming to get you kisses. Look at his little tail wagging. That means he's happy.
Well, that one is really not happy.
That's okay. He's resting. He's tired. Here he comes. He's trying to get your attention. Gentle.
Getting kisses.
Is he smelling French fries on your hands? He's trying to get up to you and get you kisses. He's like, come on, pet me. That's what those hands are for. They're petting.
Now it's waking up that dog. The bunny dogs. Candy.
Here he comes. He's going to lick your shoe. Oh, no, he got your shoe.
Now he's going over my legs.
Oh, okay. Hi, pretty boy.
Now he's going over them again. He does that all the time. No.
Here he comes. He's going to give you kisses. Oh, he likes your hands. Your hands must smell like French fries.
Yeah.
Or maybe he just wants you to get him.
One more cup.
Hi, big guy.
I jumped over. Yeah. Puppies. Both puppies are happy. He just gave me kisses. Stop.
Oh, is he getting carried away?
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes you just have to say no more kisses. He wants you to hold him. Gentle. You gotta pick him up gentle.